Hi guys, so today at Lamin-x we've got this old Volkswagen headlight which has clearly seen better days. You can see some UV damage, some scratches, some chips. So we're going to be using one of these off-the-shelf restoration kits and we're going to try and make it look a lot better. So what we'll do is we'll polish it off, make it nice, and then we're going to cover it with Lamin-x to protect it long term. For the first step of this process, we're going to use the most coarse paper we have here, which is 500 grit. So we're going to stick this on and we're going to buff over it, making sure we keep it nice and wet so that the paper doesn't stick and it doesn't scratch in too much. Being the coarsest one, it will leave some marks, but it's not an issue. As we work through the grits, they will take out the scratches. So following on from that, we're going to use our 800 grit paper, doing the same principle. We're going to stick it on, keep it nice and wet, and we're just going to polish over, make sure it looks all nice. You might get some white stuff coming on the light, but it's not an issue. Like I say, as we go through the steps, it's going to remove all of that for you. So now we're on to the last sanding step. This is our 3000 grit pad, and this will remove any of the scratches left over from the previous steps. This one you will definitely see the white marking coming on here, but again, it's nothing to worry about. And to finish it off, we're going to bring the shine back on here using this pad with our compound provided, and it's going to make it look as good as new. So now we've finished with the polishing on the light and we've got it back as best as we can. Unfortunately on this light there's a bit of damage on the inside of the lens which we can't do anything about, but we've done the best we can on the outside and it's looking nice and fresh. During the polishing process we actually removed the UV protector on the light, which is why we're now going to protect it with the Lamin-x to keep it looking nice and fresh for as long as possible. The benefit of fitting Lamin-x early on is that you won't have to do any of this. If you fit it on your light before the cloudiness starts, you won't ever have to polish them.